Shalom, all praises, honor, and glorification unto our mighty, marvelous, and wonderful power. Call Halaim La Alahayanawa Yahweh Bahashim, Yahweh Shai Bahashim, Rakak Wadash. Double honors unto the elders and apostles of Great Millstone who were well, and who are great examples towards younger brethren. Salutations as well as health and wellness unto the hopeful elect of Yahweh Bahashim, Yahweh Shai scattered across the earth. This is your brother Allah coming to you with another lesson. And the title of this lesson will be Visual Proof that Women are Hypergamous in Nature. And this video will be a landback off of the video that the elder Kasap Magan put up, which, as you see, the title of the video is For Men Still Struggling to Understand Women, which pretty much, the video that the elder did went into, a bit of intel in regards to how women are hypergamous in nature. And, it was a marvelous and beautiful lesson. I highly suggest that you send your Akim out there, go watch it. And, in fact, Lord willing, what I'll do is put the link to the video that the elder did within the description to make it more easier for you to access. So, yeah, man. So, what I'll do is I'll play about a 3 or 4 minute clip, and that's, the visual example. You're going to hear it out of the nigger woman's mouth herself, right? And then, I'll get the account, and, yeah, like I said, man, this lesson was exceedingly edifying. I learned something I didn't even know. And that was how, hypergamy was present in regards to the scheming of Bathsheba, right? Which we'll get into it, but, so we'll get that example, and then I'll play the clip, which is the visual example. So, Lord willing, the elect of Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahweh Shai be edified, and let's get right into it. Right, so clip is about 3 minutes, a little bit more than 3 minutes. So let's play. Oh, and Salakia, to make this clear, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not for any monetary gain. See, so you heard that, right? She declared and made clear that she has a man, which she said boyfriend, which, that's a bullshit term, but, she has a man. So keep that in mind, right? Let's continue. And you heard what this demon motherfucker said. He said, let me see, that ain't really got nothing to do with it. See, the Lord is gonna smoke you adulterous niggas, man. But let's continue, right? Because the point is on the woman, right? You see that shit, right? So she was going on about her merry way. Then she sees the car, which that's a quote unquote high class car, right? Lamborghini or whatever. So you already know what the deal is, man. She came back because of the car, right? It's an expensive ass car, $300,000 car about. So we already know that that's why she came back. But she's gonna say it out of her mouth herself. And just making a point with what she just said, ain't nothing wrong with being friends. There indeed is with, if you're a woman and you have a man, you're not to have any male fucking friends, man. You know? You're not to have any male fucking friends. There's absolutely something wrong with that. Pursuant to the book of Ecclesiasticus, the ninth chapter, verses 8 through 9, right? If you're a woman that has a man, right? If you're a man, right? In regards to a man and a married woman, the interaction between a man and a married woman is to be limited. There really shouldn't even be any interaction. There shouldn't be anything there, right? Which I just did a lesson. I believe I said that same thing, you know, and we can get it. We can read it briefly. So there's absolutely something wrong with that. But see, these women, man, they're completely out of order. They don't know what the fuck is going on. But see, those boundaries need to be established if you intend to take a woman seriously, which you shouldn't intend to take a woman seriously who's not fit to be taken seriously, right? Which if a woman isn't, as they say, wife material, then she's not fit to be taken seriously. And you could already tell this bitch isn't wife material. Look at what she's wearing. Look at this shit. The fuck? Look at what she's wearing. So, come on, man, right? But we can get it. This is Ecclesiasticus chapter 9, and I'll start at verse 8. And it reads, Turn away thine eye from a beautiful woman, and look not upon another's beauty. For many have been deceived by the beauty of a woman, for herewith love is kindled as a fire. And here's the point, right? Sit not at all with another man's wife, nor sit down with her in thine arms, and spend not thy money with her at the wine, lest thine heart incline unto her, and so through thy desire thou fall into destruction. So, if you're a married woman, or in other words, a woman that has a man, you're not to have any male fucking friends. That's the order of Yahweh by Shem Yahushai. And if you have a problem with that, then fuck off and kick rocks, right? The Lord is gonna pack your ass up, man. So let's continue. And once again, if you, I already said it. I ain't gonna say it again. See, complete bullshit. There is something wrong with being friends if you're a married woman. You're not. You don't. You're not to have any male friends. You heard that? What did she say? She said, they said, don't leave something good until you find something better. But watch, she's gonna say something else. That's a hypergamous statement, man. See that? And that's why she came back because of the chant the because of hypergamy, man. She came back because this guy is in a Lamborghini. Her man, her current, her man probably doesn't have a Lamborghini or all that. So she sees something potentially better, and that's why she came back. Which proves the point, man. I ran across that video earlier today, and I was like, damn, that's a lesson. And then I thought of the video that the elder Kasat Magan put up, and I had to go through the history and find it. Took me a minute, but I was like, Thawadi Al Bashmi Shy. And then I was like, yeah, that's a lesson, man. So let's get into it, right? Let's get into it, which this lesson won't be, lengthy. We're just going to go right to 2nd Samuel, start the 11th chapter, starting at verse 1. And it reads, And it came to pass after the year was expired, at the time when kings go forth to battle, that David sent Joab and his servants with him and all Israel, and they destroyed the children of Ammon and besieged Rabbah. But David tarried still at Jerusalem. Right, listen up. And it came to pass in an eventide that David arose from off his bed and walked upon the roof of the king's house. And from the roof he saw a woman washing herself, and the woman was very beautiful to look upon. Now let's go into the note, right, which this note is derived from, um, the video that the elder put up. I took note of a good amount of things that the elder said, a good amount of points made, right? So it says, understand this. Not everyone was allowed to live in the vicinity of the king's court. This particular woman who was in the vicinity thereof was Bathsheba, the wife of a soldier Uriah the Hittite, which keep that in mind, right? She was scheming and knew exactly the time in which King David would most likely be roaming around and contained the intent of him spotting her, right? It was not a coincidence that at that particular time when King David was roaming around, that she just so happened to take a shower where she was visible from David's court, right? That was no coincidence, man, right? She knew exactly what she was doing and that there was a possibility of her being seen by the king and that she could rise up from being a soldier's wife to a king's wife. See that? Which a king is higher class than a soldier, right? And matter of fact, I forgot to get the definition of the word hypergamy. So let's get it. It says the action of marrying or forming a sexual relationship with a person of a superior sociological or educational background. See? Oh shit. Salakia. See? Which, like I said, a king is higher class than a soldier, right? Or I'll say higher rank. Higher rank, So, once again, hypergamy was present in the scheming of Bathsheba, man, in regards to the scheming of Bathsheba. So this is an example as well. Right, verse 3, And David sent and inquired after the woman, and one said, Is not this Bathsheba, the daughter of Eliam, the wife of Uriah the Hittite? Which, once again, Uriah the Hittite was a soldier. And, David was obviously King David, a king. So, verse 4, And David sent messengers and took her, and she came in unto him, and he lay with her, for she was purified from her uncleanness, and she returned into her house. And the woman conceived and sent and told David, and said, I am with child. Right, and I believe there's more in that note. Let me see. know. But also we know that in the law, right, it talks about, if a man be found, raping a married woman, and if that married woman cries out, then only that man will be put to death, right? But as we see here, it's clear that, she didn't cry out. This was of her intent, right? She didn't cry out for help as if she was getting raped. No, right? She was scheming, man. And this is how women are. Once again, women are hypergamous in nature, right? As yeah, man. The point is pretty much clear, right? And they're like that for the sake of survival. So, right? See right here it says the tendency of women to try to marry up, which there is, man, an exceeding amount of videos out there where women are saying, they want a man to make the same amount they make or more, but no less, right? And really, they don't want a man to make the same amount as them, right? They want a man that's, makes more than them, smarter, stronger, so on and so forth, which men are smarter and stronger. So, but it says was in part a natural response to this dependency. Marriage was the only way a woman determined her status in life. Yeah, I mean, the first part was, was useful. So, that's pretty much the point of this lesson. So, with that, Lord willing, you were edified. Once again and forever, all praises, honor, and glorification unto our mighty, marvelous, and wonderful power. Call Halaimla Alahayan Awa Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai Ba'ashem Rakakwadash. Double honors unto the elders and apostles of Great Millstone whom grow well once again. Salutations as well as health and wellness unto the hopeful elect of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai scattered across the earth. See you in the next lesson, Lord willing. Wa Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai Babakshah Abba Baba. Wa Shalom DTA soon and stay sharp. And you since your Akim Akwath keep pushing. Shalom wa barakatham. Lavalam yam.